What separates the wealthy from the rest? Is it just money, or is there something deeper? There's an ocean of difference between the two, and it lies not in the bank accounts, but in the mindset. After this video, you will understand how a rich mindset works, and you will have the tools to achieve this level of thinking. You just need to put into practice what you will learn today to be one step closer to financial freedom. Now, let's unlock the secrets to a wealthy mindset. First off, the wealthy visualize their success. Imagine holding a compass, except this compass doesn't point north, it points towards your dreams. That's what a vision board is. It's a tangible, visual representation of your aspirations. Why is this important? Because our brains are wired to respond to visual stimulation. When we see an image that represents our goals, our brains kick into gear, working tirelessly to bring that image to life. Think of a vision board as a roadmap to success. It's a collection of pictures, words, and symbols that resonate with your heart's desires. It could be a picture of the house you want to live in, the places you want to visit, or the business you want to build. Creating a vision board is empowering. It's a declaration that you're ready to take control of your future. It's a tool that helps you focus, motivates you to take action, and encourages you to dream big. Remember, seeing is believing. Wealth isn't just about money, it's also about health. The true essence of a wealthy mindset lies not only in the accumulation of financial assets, but also in the preservation of physical well-being. Health, after all, is the foundation upon which you build your dreams. Without it, all the riches in the world are meaningless. Consider this. A robust health regime fuels your body, mind, and spirit, enabling you to seize opportunities, overcome challenges, and attain success. It's the driving force that propels you forward in your quest for wealth. From nourishing your body with wholesome foods, to rejuvenating the mind through meditation and sleep, to invigorating the spirit with regular exercise. Each aspect of health plays a pivotal role in maintaining a wealthy mindset. So, let's shift our focus from the bank balance to the health meter, because a healthy body houses a healthy mind. And a healthy mind is a prosperous mind. Your health is your true wealth. The road to wealth isn't always smooth. In fact, it's often filled with obstacles, detours, and unexpected challenges. But what separates the wealthy from the rest isn't just their ability to make money, but their unwavering persistence in the face of adversity. They understand that success is not a straight line. It's a winding path, filled with ups and downs. Imagine a miner, inches away from striking gold, but he gives up, not knowing how close he was. That's how it is with wealth. It's often just a matter of digging a little deeper, pushing a little harder, and staying in the game a little longer. Wealth is not just about striking it rich, it's about consistent effort, tireless dedication, and relentless perseverance. Remember, wealth is not a sprint, it's a marathon. It's about enduring the hard times, learning from failures, and never losing sight of your goals. So, don't be deterred by setbacks. Embrace them, learn from them, and keep going. Persistence is key. I hope you're enjoying the video. Please like and subscribe for more wealth secret tips. The wealthy focus on their own journey, not others. This is a critical mindset hack that sets apart those who amass wealth and those who don't. It's easy to fall into the trap of comparing your progress to others. In the age of social media, it seems like everyone else is achieving more, faster. But remember, comparison is the thief of joy, and more often than not, productivity. Focusing on others' success distracts from your own path. It can lead to feelings of inadequacy and self-doubt, which are obstacles to achieving your goals. Instead, concentrate on your own journey. Everyone's path to success is different, shaped by unique experiences and opportunities. The key is to focus on self-improvement and personal growth. Celebrate your victories, learn from your failures, and keep moving forward. Remember, the only person you should try to be better than is the person you were yesterday. Your journey is unique. Embrace it. Wealth often comes from thinking differently. It's not about following the crowd, but setting your own path. Innovation and creativity are the driving forces that have led to the most significant wealth creation in history. It's the spark that ignited the fortunes of innovators like Elon Musk, Steve Jobs, and Jeff Bezos. This doesn't mean you need to invent the next iPhone. Innovation can be as simple as finding a better way to do something, or solving a problem that no one else has tackled yet. It's about challenging the status quo, asking why, and not being afraid to ask why not. Remember, every industry, every field has room for improvement. Look around you. What can you do differently? What unique perspectives can you bring? How can you push boundaries and disrupt the norms? Fostering innovation isn't just about making money. It's about making a difference. It's about leaving your mark on the world. Dare to think differently. The wealthy aren't afraid of change. Quite the contrary, they thrive on it. Change is the only constant in life, and it's the same in the world of business and finance. Being open to change is more than just accepting new ideas. It's about being adaptable, flexible, and ready to pivot when necessary. Imagine if the great innovators of our time had been resistant to change. Where would we be without the daring minds who embrace the unknown and challenge the status quo? Being open to change is about understanding that what worked yesterday may not work tomorrow. It's about constantly seeking new ways to improve, to grow, and to innovate. Change can be daunting, yes. It's often filled with uncertainty and risk. But remember, without risk, there's no reward. The wealthy understand this. They see change not as a threat, but as an opportunity for growth and advancement. So don't fear change. Embrace change. It's the key to unlocking your wealth potential. The wealthy are always eager to learn. This is a trait that runs deep in the veins of those who have cultivated a wealthy mindset. It's not about the accumulation of material wealth, but rather the richness of knowledge and understanding. At the core of this mindset is an insatiable curiosity, a burning desire to know more, to understand better, to delve deeper. Curiosity is the fuel that drives continuous learning. It's the spark that ignites innovation, the compass that leads to discovery. It's about asking questions, challenging assumptions, and daring to venture into the unknown. It's about pushing boundaries and refusing to settle for the status quo. This curiosity is not confined to their field of expertise alone. It extends to all areas of life, from the arts to sciences, from culture to technology. Because the wealthy understand that every piece of knowledge gained, every insight gleaned, is another step towards a broader, richer perspective. And so, in your journey towards a wealthy mindset, remember this: never stop learning. The journey to wealth is made up of small steps. It's like building a skyscraper. You don't just snap your fingers and viola 100 stories high. No, it's one floor at a time, one brick at a time. It's the same with amassing wealth. Successful people understand the power of celebrating small victories. Each victory, no matter how small, is a step closer to your ultimate goal. It's a confirmation that you're on the right path. It's a morale booster, a motivator, a reminder that you're making progress, even when it doesn't feel like it. So, bought your first shares? Celebrate. Paid off a credit card? Celebrate. These are stepping stones on your journey to wealth. They're worth acknowledging, worth celebrating. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. It was built brick by brick, day by day. So, don't belittle your small wins. They're not small, they're significant, because in the grand scheme of things, every win counts. The wealthy guard their mindset. This statement rings true when we consider the power of our surroundings. It's crucial to limit exposure to negative influences that could potentially cloud our judgment or derail us from our path to success. Imagine your mind as a garden. What you plant will grow. If you sow seeds of negativity, you'll reap a harvest of pessimism and doubt. On the other hand, if you nurture your mind with positive thoughts and influences, you'll cultivate a mindset that is fertile ground for prosperity and success. So, how do we go about this? Be selective about the company you keep. Surround yourself with people who inspire you, who challenge you to think bigger, and who encourage your growth. Furthermore, be mindful of the media you consume. Seek out content that educates, motivates, and uplifts. Remember, you are the gatekeeper of your mind. What you allow in can shape your thoughts, your beliefs, and ultimately, your reality. Protect your mindset. The wealthy start each day with purpose. Now let's delve into the significance of setting daily intentions for achieving wealth. Imagine your mind as a compass. Your daily intentions are what set your direction. They serve as a roadmap, guiding you towards your goals and aspirations, helping you to navigate the journey of wealth creation. Daily intentions are not about the immediate results, but rather the consistent actions that lead to long-term success. They are about the commitment to the process, the discipline to stick to your plans, and the resilience to keep going, even when the journey seems tough. Remember, intentions are not just about financial goals, they are also about personal growth and development. It's about being a better version of yourself each day, which in turn supports your journey towards wealth. So start each day with a clear intention. Define what you want to achieve, commit to it, and watch how your journey towards wealth becomes more focused and purposeful. Set your intentions. Wealth isn't just about getting, it's also about giving. Now let's talk about generosity, a cornerstone of a wealthy mindset. You see, when we give, it doesn't mean we have less. In fact, we create an environment of abundance. Generosity is a cycle of positivity, a beacon of hope that inspires others and ourselves. Imagine the impact of your actions, the ripple effect of your generosity. You're not just helping someone else, you're also nurturing your spirit, enriching your life, and fostering a community of compassion and kindness. Wealthy people understand this. They know that to truly be rich, one must be generous not just with their wealth, but with their time, their knowledge, their resources. It's about creating value, not just accumulating it. So, start today. Be generous. Be it with a smile, a helping hand, or a monetary contribution. Remember, the wealthier you feel, the more you're inclined to give. And the more you give, the wealthier you become. Give more. The wealthy know they can't do it all. A vital aspect of developing a wealthy mindset is understanding the power of delegation. It's not about offloading tasks you don't want to do, but about maximizing your time and energy for what you do best. Imagine you're a skilled painter, yet you spend hours maintaining your website. Sure, you can do it, but is that the best use of your talent? Wouldn't it be wiser to delegate this to a professional web developer while you focus on creating breathtaking art? Remember, time is your most precious resource. The wealthy know this and are not afraid to invest in people who can help them save time. They understand that every task they delegate frees up time for strategic thinking, creativity, networking, or even rejuvenating the mind and body. Delegation, when done wisely, is not a sign of weakness. It's a strategic move towards building wealth and achieving success. And the last piece of advice? Delegate wisely. The path to wealth is more than just a financial journey. It's a voyage of personal growth, where the mind plays an integral part. These are not just wealthy habits, they're life habits. They're the tools that the rich utilize to create and maintain wealth. But remember, it's not about copying the wealthy, it's about adopting a mindset that leads to wealth. It's about understanding the principles that guide their decisions and actions. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next video.